Looking for the best chipping hammer that won't let you down during welding cleanup? Stick around. We're breaking down the top 5 chipping hammers ranked from worst to best, so you know exactly which one to grab. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the chipping hammer from Klein tools. While this brand is well known in the tool world, this particular hammer lands at the bottom of our ranking. It's compact, light, and simple, which might sound good until you really need to break through heavy slag. Now, to its credit, this hammer is solidly built with a tempered steel head and a heat-resistant nylon grip. The flat chisel on one side and the pointed spike on the other make it versatile for different welding cleanup tasks. It's also lightweight and easy to maneuver, great if you're working in tight spots or overhead. But here's the catch, that lightweight head just doesn't bring enough power. If you're chipping off thick slag or working for long hours, you'll feel the difference. It's also pretty short, which limits your leverage compared to other options on this list. So who is this really for? If you're doing small-scale welding jobs or working in a confined space, this might fit the bill. Otherwise, you'll want something with a bit more punch. By the way, we've included links to all the hammers from today's list at the best available prices right down in the description. Coming in at number 4, we've got the VASTOOLS chipping hammer. It's a solid upgrade in a few areas over the Klein Tools model, especially if you're looking for a hammer and brush combo in one package. The VASTOOLS model offers a longer reach and a bit more heft, which gives you more impact when you're knocking off stubborn slag. The spring handle is a nice touch. It absorbs shock to reduce vibration in your hand. Plus, the included wire brush is great for finishing up your weld cleanup in one go. Still, it's not quite perfect. The spring handle isn't the most comfortable over long sessions, and despite its added weight, it's not quite heavy duty. If you're working on tougher materials or doing large welds, you might notice it takes more effort than you'd like. This one's ideal for hobby welders or folks doing occasional light fabrication work. It's versatile, compact, and gives you some nice extras. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear breakdowns like this. Sitting right in the middle of our list at number 3 is the chipping hammer from American Mutt tools. This one strikes a great balance, literally and figuratively, between price, performance, and durability. What really stands out here is the forged steel head and ergonomic handle. The grip is designed to reduce slipping and hand fatigue, especially during longer sessions. With a 14-ounce head, you're getting more power behind every swing than the previous models, and that really helps speed up your cleanup work. There are some trade-offs though. The handle doesn't have shock-absorbing features like some of the top contenders, and there have been occasional mentions of quality control hiccups. Nothing deal-breaking, but worth noting. If you're a weekend welder or just want a reliable hammer without spending a ton, this is a great middle ground choice. Durable, well-balanced, and backed by a lifetime warranty. It's hard to argue with that. Runner-up on our list is the YESWELDER hammer, and let me tell you, this one packs a punch. With a 28-ounce head, it's made for heavy-duty chipping, and it doesn't mess around. The forged carbon steel build gives you great durability, and the weight alone gives you all the striking force you need, especially if you're working on thick slag. It comes with a spring handle for some vibration reduction, and even throws in a wire brush to complete your post-weld cleanup. But that weight can be a double-edged sword. If you're doing a lot of vertical or overhead work, your arms will feel it, and while the spring handle is decent, it's not quite as ergonomic or comfortable as the high-end models. This hammer is a great choice for someone who needs serious power on a budget. If your work involves heavy welds and you want something that hits hard and holds up, this is definitely worth a look. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the king of the chipping hammers, we've got the model from Estwing. This thing is a beast in the best possible way. If you've used Estwing tools before, you already know they're built like tanks. This hammer has a forged one-piece steel design, which means no welds, no loose parts, and no weak spots. The 14-ounce head gives you strong impact force without being too heavy, and the shock reduction grip is one of the best out there for keeping your hands comfortable over long jobs. It's tough to to find a real flaw here. Sure, it's not the heaviest hammer, but the design makes every swing count, and that shorter 11-inch length, it actually helps with control in tight areas without sacrificing power. If you're looking for the best combination of durability, comfort, and performance, this is the one to beat. It's made in the USA, and once you pick it up, you'll understand why it's a favorite among pros. Alright, that wraps up our top chipping hammer picks. Whether you're tackling big welds or just doing occasional shop work, there's a hammer here that fits your style. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on every product we covered, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss a review.